Hello everyone, this is TCL here, back with another video. Today we're going to be settling the debate of which tractor is best. Got ourselves a little tractor pulling sled over here, and all these tractors have similar horsepower. Got a Case, John Deere, Fendt, a Valtra, and a New Holland. We're starting off with 10,000 liters of slurry. And here we go. And full pull on the New Holland. New Holland's progressing to the next stage. Next up to pull is the Valtra. Get it lined up, back it up. And we have base, like about 100,000 pounds on here. And gotta reset the sled. And 3, 2, 1, boom. Pulling. Going 6 miles an hour. And full pull on the Valtra. That's progressing. Next up is the Fendt. Alright, let's go. So far, it looks like the Fendt's in the lead. It's getting about 7 miles an hour. Next up, we have the Case. Back it up. This Fendt might get in the way. And go. Case is coming in at a close second. And last up, John Deere. And if all these progress to the next stage, we're gonna load it up with 20,000 liters of slurry. And then after that, we will decide our winner by who goes the fastest. And after that, we'll have a little bit of fun. And go. John Deere coming in second. Yeah, it's coming in third, actually. Surprising. Alright, let's load this thing up with some more slurry. There we go, we're full of slurry, 20,000 liters. Start off with the Champion. Gotta get it reset. We're about ready to start pulling. This thing at 10,000 liters went 8 miles an hour. Let's see how fast it goes with 20,000. Looks like about 6 miles an hour. Not bad. So far, that's in first. And we're gonna get second place winner. In case. And start pulling. This is a close second place. I'm gonna get the John Deere next. I understand you guys are probably most likely going to disagree with what I say here, but you can always run it back, and just hope you guys enjoy. I'm by no means biased, but let's go. John Deere's coming in third place so far. We're gonna get the Vulture out here. I wonder how the Vulture's gonna do. The gold color on this is interesting, to say the least. So right now we have Fenton first, Case in second, and John Deere in third. And start pulling. Ooh, that's not good. We're gonna redo that one. We gotta get the chain tighter. And 3, 2, 1. Whew. It looks like the Vulture is barely pulling it. Vulture. Not very impressed with your abilities here. Vulture is the last for not even pulling it. And last but not least, New Holland. Looks like it's gonna be hard to beat the Fendt. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah, go. Ooh. It's like 1 mile per hour. Let's take a look at the horsepower difference on these. You got the 8R, that's 326 horse. That's 296, so that could be why. That's 280, 351. But you know what's funny? This one is 351 horse, but the Fendt pulled it further. You know, probably because it has like 400 horsepower. This has 374. And let's compare the prices. Or, no, I got this one, I believe. Let's look here, see if I got the Vario. Yeah, I got the Vario. It might be the 1080 Vario. 1082. $1038. I don't even see that one. Unless I upgraded this one. Yeah. So this one is the 1038. It has 396 horse. So that could be why it won. We need something. This test isn't really the most fair because everything has a different amount of horsepower, a different amount of weight. But after that, let's just have fun. Let's get the smallest tractor we can find. Let's get this one right here, see how much it can pull. We're going to upgrade the engine on it. Alright, after this, we're going to probably end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. But I would recommend getting probably the case, because it's not too expensive. Or I would recommend getting the John Deere, to be honest, because it's the cheapest out of all of them. That's a lie. The New Holland's the cheapest, but it doesn't really pull too good. So I'd recommend getting the John Deere 8R or the 7R. You could the Valtra, don't get the Valtra, it can't pull anything. I'm going to be so impressed if this thing can pull it. If this thing can pull it a full pull, you guys literally have to subscribe. I mean, even if it doesn't, I wouldn't mind it, but it's up to you guys. You can always undo it if you feel like it. Gosh darn, New Holland's in the way. Look how small that tractor is compared to all of these. So, I'd recommend getting probably the John Deere. It's got a lot of pulling power, it's relatively affordable. I don't think this thing's gonna pull it. If it does, I'm going to be so impressed. Oh, that's not a good sign. Yeah, let's unload all the slurry in it. Maybe I'll be able to pull it without that. There, it's got nothing in it now. It's just got the weight. See if it can pull it. Let's put a weight on it. See if that helps. Alright, we're gonna get this one here. Gotta go drive this rickety old thing back to the dealership. Put the giant weight on it. Hopefully it doesn't tip over. Or actually, we'll get two weights. One on the front, one on the back. See if that helps. Then you have the tractor weight and then another like 6 tons. Probably about 7 tons actually. The weight's the same size as the tractor, that's not good. Oh, just as I expected. And use super strength to get this thing. This thing now has 6 tons on it. Can't even move. Oh, never mind, it's moving. See how this fares against the old pulling sled. I don't imagine it's gonna do too great, even with these 7 tons of weight. Gotta go hook it up, hook it up, hook it up. Gotta go put it on the sled. Don't tip it. Put it in reverse. Hopefully this will attach. I saw it. I saw it say attach. Just getting this back up a bit. Alright, there we go. It's all straightened out now, so hopefully I can just back up to it and attach it. Boom, we're attached. Pull. Oh? Oh? She's pulling. Just lower the weight, see if that helps. Lower the front one too. You guys saw that, she was pulling it. It's kinda. Huh. Well, you've heard it here first, folks. Buy John Deere. But if you have the money to spend, get the Fendt. It pulls the most. And, well, that's about all I have for today. See ya later, folks.